Today we want to start unit number 5. Unit number 5. So this unit is contains as orthographic projection, and isometric projection. There are two contents are there in unit number 5. So here in external examination we expect so in orthographic projection, in isometric projection, any one problem we want to attempt. They are given two problems. Out of these two, any one we want to attempt it. So at unit number 5, in our lesson schedule already we circulated to you lesson number 16, how to draw front view, top view and side view for a given object. Suppose that is in first angle position or that is in third angle position. At unit number 2, on that level of lesson, already we have discussed what do you mean by first angle, what do you mean by third angle. In first angle, third angle, how the different positions of views in which location we want to draw, already we discussed. At lesson number 17, practice to draw front view, top view and side view of different objects or castings from ND Bhatt textbook. So here in ND Bhatt textbook, see, these are the figures they are given in external examination. So these are the figures. Suppose this figure, or suppose this figure, or suppose this figure, or suppose this figure. So if any problem, you should not indicate any projection method. Automatically you want to grasp the default first angle projection method. Suppose if any problem, figure number 20, 49, front view, side view, top view, use third angle projection method. In this way you want to specified in this problem means automatically you want to follow third angle projection method only. Otherwise defaultly all problems are they are in first angle projection method only. In examination point of view, you want to learn first angle and third angle projection method also. Which method indicated, you want to follow that type of procedure only. That is lesson number 7. Different type of problems are there. I want to explain 1 or 2 or 3 problems. Remaining problems you want to do as your own with your self practice. Lesson number 18, isometric projection, isometric view, isometric axis, non-isometric lines and construction of isometric, the total theory part. Why? Because before going to lesson number 19, how to draw prox method, how to draw force center method, how to draw conversion, before going to this lesson number 19, you was to familiar what is isometric projection, what is isometric view, what is isometric axis, non-isometric lines. Once you are familiar lesson number 18, then you will attempt lesson number 19. These are for fundamental methods which are useful to convert these views. Lesson number 20, only isometric view. So in this isometric of prisms and cylinders and cones and all things, see, remember that in isometric view, here in external examination they will give the problems as like this. See here in these problems, suppose this is third angle projection method, this is a problem they are given. This is third angle means automatically in your mind you observe that this is top view, this is front view, this is side view. Suppose this is first angle means this is front view, this is top view. Suppose this is first angle means this is front view, this is side view. Suppose this is first angle means this is the front view, this is side view. How this is say this is the front view, this is side view means which figure gives more features about of that object, that figure you treated as that is front view. Suppose in this figure this is front view, this is side view. How to say this is front view, this is side view means this figure gives more features of that object. Then this is front view treated as front view, this is side view. So in this way, in isometric views, they give orthographic views. You want to convert the 3 orthographic views into single isometric view. Nothing but in unit number 5 there are 2 concepts are there. Orthographic projection means you want to draw number of views, front view, top view, side view in this way. But whenever you want to go isometric projection, you want to combine all these 3 views, then you want to get only one picture, nothing but that is pictorial view. Nothing but only one picture you want to draw it isometric projection. Nothing but this is combination of views, this is for dissection of views. See, remember that. Nothing but in this orthographic projection they will give only one figure. You want to draw front view, top view, side view only based upon first angle, third angle. But in isometric projection, they will give one or two or three views based upon that features of that views. You want to imagine what is the full figure that gives three objects. See, in this way you want to draw it unit number 5, orthographic projection and isometric projection. Before going to orthographic projection, see.
ఒక్క నిమిషం.